रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा Assalamu alaikum. Hope all of you are doing good. So class, as you all know that we are learning about time. We have done conversion of time, and today we are doing the concepts of past and two. We have done them. We have already done them once, but today we will be doing the workbook page 160. So, what is the question here? Fill in the blanks. First of all, we will see that what time does this clock shows. The hour needle is pointing towards 9 and 10. It means that it's 9. And what about the minute needle? So this is very easy. You can use the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, and then we can count further 16, 17, 18. So the minute needle is pointing towards 18. We will write 9:18 over here, and now we have to write that how many minutes past 9. So we know that there are 18 minutes past 9. So we will write 18 over here. Now I want to tell you one more thing about past and to, that when we use past and when we use to, the most easiest way is to divide your clock in half. For the right half you will use past, and for the left half you will use to. Like before 6 we use past, and after 6 we use to. So it's 18 minutes past 9. Now we come to part B, and this is, first of all we will check the time. So the hour needle is between 3 and 4, so we will take 3. And the minute needle is pointing towards, we can again do it from the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, and then we will calculate 26, 27, 28. So we will write 3:28. So how many minutes past 3? It's obvious from the clock and from the time we have written here that it's 28 minutes past 3. Now come to part C. Here we have to write how many minutes to 12, that how many minutes are left to 12 o'clock. So what will we do? The hour needle is between 7. The hour needle is, this is the hour needle, it's between 11 and 12. It means we will write 11 here, and then what will we do next? It's 38. How we know? We will start counting from here to here. So no, first of all we will count from here to here to write the time. So we will do likewise. 5 ones are 5, 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, and then 3 more minutes. We will write 11:38 here. Now we have to see that how many minutes to 12. So what will we do? We will count these small minute lines on the clock, and after counting these lines we know that there are 22 minutes to 12, that 22 minutes are left to 12 o'clock. Now come to part D. It's 9:58, right? We have done it similarly. 5 ones are 5, 2s are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 6 are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50, 5 11s are 55, and then 3 more minutes. So it's 9:58. Then how many minutes are left to 2? This is the portion that will tell us that how many minutes are left to 10. So 2 minutes are left to 10. So this is our today's exercise. It's page number 160 of your workbook, and you have to practice this page at home. Thank you so much class. Take care. Allah Hafiz.